Bonjour les amis. Vous avez vu le panneau là? So there are different colors. I think it's the same in all countries in fact. The blue, le bleu, c'est l'autoroute. The blue is the highway. The green is the road that we are, which is called départemental. And then there is another kind of road which is la nationale. La nationale. National is bigger than départemental. Anyway, the blue is the highway. And I've just seen a thing over there on the right. Vous voyez là-bas, à l'horizon, très loin? Je pense que vous devez voir. On voit pas bien. C'est, je crois que c'est une centrale nucléaire. I think it's a nuclear power plant, you know. So that's something that is really, really bad in France. I'm really against it. That's our government and the people, the French people. They get brainwashed, and the government doesn't do much. You know, the nuclear power plant in France, I think we have 60 usines nuclear. I think this is a nuclear power plant. I'm not sure over there, you see. And of course it's not good, huh? Because there will be many waste, and the waste, we don't know where to put them. Les déchets radioactifs, we say. Les déchets nucléaires, les déchets radioactifs. So usually, before they would throw them in the water, put them inside some cement, and throw them in the ocean, you know. And then after that, now what they do is they bury them. They bury them. They will bury them below the ground, and they say, "Oh, it's okay, it's safe. Well, you can keep it, and it will be kept for thousands of years below the ground." But then there's some place where they start discovering that this has leaked. The waste, the nuclear waste, was leaking. So it's terrible, you know. Only after like 20, 30, 40 years, the nuclear waste was leaking. So I'm not sure if it's a nuclear power plant, because I'm not from around here. So you need to ask the people. And then there is all the risk that you have with this kind of power plant. One big risk is the failure. If you want to shut down the power plant, you need at least 20, 30 to 40 years. Usually it will be like 25 years to cool it down and then to close it. And the problem is if there is emergency, en cas de force majeure, we say, en cas d'urgence, de war, la guerre, global warming, starvation, disaster, natural disaster, they don't have time to shut it down. They don't have 25 years or 30 years in front of them. Then the thing is going to explode, or is going to be left like this, and all the area will be polluted. And one nuclear power plant is enough to pollute half of France, huh, you know. And we have 60 of them. 60. So it's a real shame. It's a real shame. C'est une honte. C'est une honte. And why this happen? Pourquoi ça arrive en France? Moi, regardez, hein, quelqu'un avec une caravane. Many French people, they like to go on holiday like this, avec la caravane. It's cheap. Ce n'est pas cher. And they can travel wherever they want and just stop like this, tack, in the caravan. But now you have a lot of control. So usually when you have the caravan, you need to go to the camping place. If you stop everywhere, maybe the police will fine you. Say, hey, you give you a fine. You have no right to put your caravan here. What are you doing here? So some people now, what they do is they just take the car, and on the roof they have a tent, or they sleep in the car. Ici, oh, ici on la voit bien là, d'accord? Ouais, ça doit être une centrale. Soit c'est une centrale nucléaire, soit c'est une centrale hydroélectrique, which can be also hydroelectric, which means there is the river, and they use the river. But I think it's nuclear. Why? Because what you see, the smoke, is the vapor from the river. So they use the water to cool down the reactor. You know, so they use the water all the time. So they say de la vapeur d'eau. The fog that you see, c'est de la vapeur d'eau. Yeah, it's really a shame, but I think because French people are, for a long time, they were very proud. Ouais, on a la puissance nucléaire. Ouais, on est indépendant, on est plus fort que les Américains, on est un grand pays, on est une grande puissance. You know, French people were like this, you know. And now they start to realize, oh, this is a little bit meaningless, and this is a little bit useless. And For a long time, people were thinking, on a besoin de l'indépendance, l'autonomie énergétique. You know, you need to follow the growth model. You need to push the industry. In order to push the industry, you need to have the electricity, the supply of electricity. You know, the same as China. Huh? In China, they will have the electricity, and they use the coal fuel power plant. And then now they also launched the nuclear. Because if you don't have the electricity, then your industry is done. You rely on other countries. You rely on the oil that come from the Middle East. And you rely on the American. You rely on the US Army. You rely on the gas, you know. But to me, you need another way. 150 mètres. Attends, rien du tout. Auxerre, c'est à gauche. Donc tu as cédé le passage, tu attends. S'il y a des voitures, tu regardes bien à droite et à gauche. Donc ça, tu see, over there you can see camping. Camping. You see, this is the logo for the camping. It means over there, if you have the camping car, this is the place where you should go. And even you come with the tent, you are not allowed to do le camping sauvage. Tu vois, camping sauvage. Regardez, camping. Ici, ils ont des pizzas. Hein. So this is something that you can do. I have a friend who is a chef, and I always tell him, why you don't do this? You go on the main road like this, and you just put your small restaurant, cheap. Many people are going to stop because they say, oh, it's cheap, and you offer the local product. Of course, a lot of work. À droite, à droite. Vas-y, à droite, à droite. Attention, attention, t'es trop au milieu de la route. Ok, tout droit, tout droit. Petit jeune, ici. Riding is motorbike. You don't need maybe you need a driving license for this. Oh là là, regardez.
Bah, je vais où là? Je vais dans
le... à gauche. Mais non, je sais pas. Tu vas à gauche, tu suis là. Là, tu traverses le pont. Attention. I'm not sure. Là, tu vas à gauche, évidemment.
C'est la route nationale.
Non, là, c'est l'autoroute, mais on va pas à l'autoroute. On verra. Non, c'est la direction, baby. Tu vois, here.